In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your text curved here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do. We can do this in a Canva Pro account and also a free Canva account as well. Now, once you have your text on the canvas, just like this, we simply want to click onto that text, and then we're going to come up to effects just here. Now, over here, we can see I already have an effect on this text, but if we scroll down to the bottom, we're going to see this just here, where it says curve. Now, if we click on there, we're also going to get this little bar that we can play around with to curve our text. The higher we go up the bar, the more the text is going to be curved. And as you can see, this is practically a circle. Then if we go the other way, the curve is going to go the opposite direction, just like this, as you can see. So to get this how you want, you're going to just want to adjust this bar or add in numbers just here. This curve is 71. You can play with the minus or the plus as well, but you're going to want to just adjust to where you got it. Now, if you want the text larger, we can simply just enlarge that text or the font, or just grab the corner and enlarge it just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make your text curved here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click this playlist just here, packed of Canva tutorials.